Cut. How did the PBS Kids logo get here? This is not PBS Kids. This is Cartoon Network. All right, take two. Cut. How did it go in reverse? Why, just why? Oh well, take three. Cut. The image is not supposed to be evil. Why now we can do take four. Cut. The image is black and white. It's not the 50s like this. Let's try again. Take five. Cut. You almost got it, but you forgot to put the text in it. This is the last take. If you screw up, then you're fired. All right, take six. Good job, you got it right.